Want to eat more and still lose weight? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with zero-calorie foods, it isn't. Imagine a world where you can eat to your heart's content without worrying about the calorie count. That's the magic of zero-calorie foods. These foods, often high in fiber and water content, not only fill your stomach but also keep you satiated for a longer time. They're the secret weapon in your weight loss journey, letting you munch away without the guilt. No need for weighing scales or portion control. It's all about volume eating, where you can have more for less. But how does it work, you ask? These foods require more energy to digest than they provide, creating a calorie deficit. It's like your body is doing the hard work while you enjoy your food. Ready to dive into the world of zero-calorie foods? Let's begin. First on our list is a classic celery. It's a standout in the world of zero-calorie foods, not just for its lack of calories, but for its nutritional punch as well. This humble green stalk is packed with water, making it a hydrating snack perfect for those hot summer days or after a rigorous workout. But the benefits don't stop at hydration. Celery is also a great source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you feeling full longer, which can be a real boon for those aiming to manage their weight. Beyond its nutritional profile, celery boasts versatility in the culinary realm. It adds a delightful crunch to salads, a fresh bite to sandwiches, and a flavorful base for soups and stews. You can even enjoy it raw with a dollop of peanut butter or a scoop of hummus for a quick, healthy snack. So next time you're feeling peckish, why not reach for a stick of celery? Scene script. Next up, we have cucumbers, a refreshing option for those hot summer days. Now, cucumbers aren't just a refreshing crunch in your salad. They're a powerhouse of nutrition and hydration. With their high water content, they keep you hydrated and help maintain a feeling of fullness. That's the magic of cucumbers. They're a volume food with almost zero calories. Packed with vitamin K, cucumbers support bone health and help in blood clotting. They're also rich in antioxidants, which protect your cells from harmful free radicals. But how can we incorporate cucumbers into our diets, you ask? Well, they're versatile. Add them to your salads or make a cucumber sandwich. You can even blend them into a green smoothie for a hydrating post-workout drink. And let's not forget, cucumbers are the perfect ingredient for a chilled gazpacho soup or a refreshing cucumber salad. They're a fantastic way to fill your plate without adding unnecessary calories. A cucumber salad, anyone? Add some color to your plate with bell peppers. These vibrant veggies aren't just for show, they pack a nutritional punch too. Bell peppers are brimming with vitamin C, even surpassing the amount found in your average orange. They're an excellent source of antioxidants, helping to combat harmful free radicals and support overall health. What's more, these colorful gems are incredibly versatile. Slice them up for a crunchy snack, toss them into a salad, or stuff them with your favorite fillings for a satisfying meal. The options are as varied as the colors they come in. Their high water and fiber content can help you feel fuller for longer, making them a fantastic choice for those aiming to shed some pounds. And the best part? They're almost zero in calories, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add some bell peppers to your cart. Who knew losing weight could be so colorful? Zucchini, a versatile veggie that can be used in countless ways. Boasting a high fiber content and a low calorie count, this green gem is a must-have in your kitchen. It's not just the fiber that makes zucchini a nutritional powerhouse. This squash is packed with vital vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin A. Its high water content also keeps you hydrated and feeling full, making it a perfect ingredient for those on a weight loss journey. You can enjoy zucchini in a variety of ways. Grill it for a smoky side dish, roast it for a hearty meal, or spiralize it into zoodles for a low-carb pasta substitute. Zucchini can also be baked into bread or muffins for a nutritious breakfast option. And don't forget about stuffed zucchini, a delicious treat that can be filled with anything from quinoa to ground turkey. Zucchini noodles, zucchini bread, the possibilities are endless. Tomatoes, a juicy option that's perfect for any salad. Bursting with flavor, these red beauties are more than just a pretty addition to your plate. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a natural antioxidant that's been linked to heart health. This nutrient powerhouse helps to combat free radicals, those pesky molecules that can cause damage to our cells and lead to chronic diseases. But the benefits don't stop there. Tomatoes are also high in vitamin C, potassium, and folate, making them a nutritious choice for your daily diet. But how do you incorporate this juicy gem into your meals? Well, the options are endless. Dice them up for a refreshing salsa, slice them for a hearty sandwich, or blend them into a savory soup. You could even roast them for a delightful side dish. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, tomatoes provide a delicious and healthy twist to your meals. So, how about a tomato salad for lunch? Craving something sweet? Berries might be the answer. These tiny, juicy gifts from nature pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. They're remarkably high in antioxidants, those little warriors that combat the harmful effects of free radicals in the body. In fact, berries are some of the most antioxidant-rich foods out there, helping to reduce inflammation and protect against disease. But the goodness of berries doesn't stop there. They're also great for brain health. Studies have shown that the flavonoids in berries can help improve memory and cognitive function. So next time you're feeling a bit foggy, reach for a handful of these sweet treats. And incorporating berries into your meals? It's a breeze. Sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal, toss them into a salad for a sweet twist, or just enjoy them straight from the bowl. Remember, the more colorful your plate, the healthier it is. Berries, a sweet treat that's good for you too. So, there you have it, a list of zero-calorie foods that you can indulge in without the guilt. We began our journey with the classic zero-calorie food, the humble celery. With its high water content and rich fiber, it's a go-to for anyone looking to fill up without tipping the calorie scale. Next up was the refreshing cucumber, another hydration powerhouse with a generous dose of vitamins. A perfect choice for those sunny afternoon salads, wouldn't you agree? We then added a splash of color to our plate with bell peppers. Not only do they bring vibrance and crunch to our meals, but they also pack a punch with their high vitamin C content. Plus, their sweetness adds a delightful twist to our zero-calorie quest. Zucchini made its appearance as a versatile veggie, effortlessly fitting into any meal plan. Be it a stir-fry or a noodle substitute, zucchini's got you covered, all while keeping your calorie intake in check. And who can forget the juicy tomatoes? Their tangy flavor profile and antioxidant-rich nature make them a fabulous addition to our zero-calorie food list. Finally, we ended on a sweet note with berries. These little gems are not only low in calories but are also brimming with antioxidants and fiber, making them a sweet treat that's actually good for you. Each of these foods brings something unique to the table, varying flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits. But what they all share is their low to zero calorie count, making them ideal for volume eating. With these foods, you can eat to your heart's content without worrying about portion control, all while nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Remember, the key to a successful diet isn't depriving yourself, but making smarter choices. And these zero-calorie foods are a great place to start. Remember, with zero-calorie foods, you can eat more and still lose weight. So, what are you waiting for? Start your zero-calorie journey today.